I need to eat. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, we headed to Ducky'S. All else, we ain't reached yet. It's been almost 3 hours driving. We passed through Princestown and past our other villages, plenty, and we ain't reached yet. But yeah, this lobster, it better be good because for a 3-hour drive to spend, I know it will be a good bit of money to spend to get what it is we want, but I don't mind. It's food. We shop it locally, so hashtag support local. But yeah, so it really had to taste good because, well, I know what I'm gonna do now. Oh yeah, my bouncy cheeks numb, and I already interchange from left to right already. I did the right left and the left and right together, and I don't know, I already I need to eat. Oh yeah, it's kind of dark. We reach it finally. Oh my god. Ducky'S even give my daughter her own lobster. Y'all believe that? I had the pleasure of meeting the man himself, Ducky'S, and y'all, he is such a cool, chill, relaxed type of down-to-earth type of person, y'all, and we had such a wonderful conversation while we waited on our lobster. The time flew by so fast, and it was just the perfect experience, first time experience, y'all. I felt at home. Everybody was so welcoming. Nobody was frowning at my camera, hiding, ducking, nothing, you know. Everybody was real family type up there, boy. I could move, I could go live up there. My daughter even got a free roast fish, and y'all, that's because Ducky'S give free fish to all the children under 16 years. Oh my goodness. call this the orgasm sauce. Let's see what's happening tonight. Okay, Olia, we just reached back home. It's 9 o'clock. It took us an hour and a half to get back home from Ducky'S. So yeah, so I'm going to do the taste test now. So let's see how this tastes. Okay, y'all, so this is it here. I'm just going to drizzle some lime. Oh, the little seeds. Well, that's okay. Right, and now for the big tail. So this is it here. It has the orgasm sauce and chalamini and a set of seasonings. So I'm going to. Oh yeah? You get through here. This is a get through. This is a get through. A get through. Okay, y'all. So I am going to sit and enjoy, savor this delicious, juicy, succulent lobster tail, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of the night with my husband. So I hope you enjoyed this little vlog of mine going to Ducky'S for the first time. Make sure to hit that like button if you did. Comment down below what you liked about the video, and please hit that subscribe button to see more vlogs like these. And see you in my next video. Bye.